friends, how are you? Welcome back to Sowjanya e-learnings. Today I am going to tell you about the worksheets regarding 3-letter words or CVC words worksheets. CVC means consonant, vowel and a consonant. So in this concept only 3-letter words will be written. So now first we'll start doing the worksheets. Circle vowels and write them. See here I have given some words. We have to circle them and we have to write vowels that down. So what are vowels? A, E, here O is there, I, U. Now we'll write them. A, E, I, O, U. So these are vowels. Now we'll go to the one more worksheet. Now here complete the words. See here I have given some words. We have to write in the correct form. P plus add, pad. Ma plus at, mat. B plus an, ban. K plus app, cap. J plus am, jam. S plus at, sat. Next, match the words with the same words. Here I have given some words. So we have to match the words with the same words. Ram, same. We have to match with the ram. Fat, fat. Dam, dam. Dad, dad. Van, van. Now we'll see one more worksheet. Here, circle and sound words. En means an. And sound words we have to circle here. The words ends with the sound N. We have to circle those. En, N. Den. The sound is N. Men. Pen. Ten. Ben. Here also ben. N. Ten. So all these words are ending with the sound N. Now circle the correct sound words. Here I have given some sound words. We have to circle with those. At, at. The word sound should end with the at. Cat, bat. Now here at. At means get, met, net. Here eg, egg, keg, leg. Next worksheet. Read and write the words. See here in the middle circle I have given at. Now we have to form the words with at family. Means see here b, at, bat. Like that only with every letter we have to add at and we have to form a word. K, at, cat. K, at, cat. Next, ma, at, mat. Ha, at, hat. R, at, rat. S, at, sat. Next worksheet. Write the names of the given pictures. Here I have given some pictures. We have to write the names of those pictures. Bat, car, net, leg, 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 cap, cap, mat, mat, ten, 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 pen, pen, pen. Red, red, red. Now, here, circle the rhyming words. Here, at family words are there. We have to circle them. This is a pat with a bat. A cat wearing a hat. Sam saw a rat who sat on a mat. He was very fat. So, these all are add family words we have to circle. Now, write the words. Here, app. App. The words ends with the sound app. Cap. Map. Tap. Next, here at sound words. Get. Let. Met. So, give them like this different types of worksheets and make the kids practice. Then only they can remember the 3-letter words easily. Okay? Practice at their homes. Bye.